This is Dan with Pro Drain and Rooter Service, recording video at 17780 South Anderson Road, Oregon City, Oregon. We are accessing from a storm drain downspout at the this would be the northwest corner of the house, right along the fence, chain link fence. We ran the cable. Cable was only able to get out about 30 feet, which is right about here. And you can see, I believe this is a dry well. I'm not 100% sure, but you can see the end of the pipe is a clean cut. And it looks like a dry well is probably just filled with rock or with roots. And so I marked it out. It kind of comes to the north a little bit, about 8 feet, and then goes, or 10 feet, and then goes about another 20 over to the west and towards the back fence. And it's 1 foot 10 inches deep there. And going to recommend that line, if this continues to be an issue, it is draining now, but if it continues to be an issue, which it will with this amount of roots in there, I recommend digging that up and installing a new dry well and getting this repaired. But for right now, it is draining. Not sure how much water it will be able to handle, but it handles a hose just fine. But obviously, heavy rain, it's gonna be a lot more water since the entire house is draining to this dry well. So we're going to pull back to the downspout that we were working from and show the condition of the line. The line is actually in good shape all the way out. 3-inch ABS. There's standing water in this section here. There's the T from the north side of the house, and where we're accessing from gets the whole south side of the house, south and west side of the house. I'll go ahead and show where that spot is at. So the line kind of comes out off the corner, comes over to these rocks right there, and then the line runs along here, comes over to these bushes here, kind of right by this roadie. There's a little rock, a concrete chunk right there that I marked my X on. It was in the dirt there, so I put the X right on that. That's where it's at. Again, 1 foot 10 inches deep.